Very good morning to all my dear students. Before starting with the writing part for the question answers, we will revise the poem once again. So let's start. Unit 6. Poem name is Mr. Nobody. I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. New words: quiet, mischief, everybody, agree, and nobody. Now, these 3 questions we will write in our notebook and let's discuss about this. Have you ever done something naughty? Yes, students. So you can say, yes, I have done something naughty. What did you do? You have to say, what did you do the naughty thing? What did you say? You also have to say, when you did naughty, what did you say? Got it? Next is, sometimes you want to look and find things for yourself. Tick those that you did. Tell your friends. Like as, I tried to see why the clock ticked. If you have tried, you can tick here. Okay? The next is, I went out of the house at night to see the stars. If you have did this, you can make tick mark here. I climbed a tree to look into a nest. Did you try? You can make tick mark here. Next is, I climbed on a stool to find biscuits. Have you ever tried this? Yes, students. If you have tried this, you can make tick marks here. Next is, say aloud and circle the rhyming words. First one is, a mouse ran into the house. Mouse and house. Okay? Like this you have to circle the rest 3 sentences. Okay? For these 3 sentences, I can see the little bee. C and B. That was a fat cat. Fat cat. Give me a handkerchief. Don't do any mischief. Handkerchief and mischief. The next is, fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. Yes, what are these all? These are vowels. So let's fill the correct vowel to complete the words. The first one is H, E, dash, D. Which vowel we will put here? A. H, E, A, D, head. The next one is dash, R, M, S. That is A, arms. Next is L, dash, G, S. E, legs. Next is D, R, dash, S, S. Which vowel we will put here? Yes, E, dress. The next one is H, dash, dash, R. Yes, what will be the word? We will put A and I. That is hair. Got it? Second one is add no, some and every to the word body to make new words. Okay? That is body actually. So, how we will make? We will write here no. That is nobody. It means no one. Next is some. Somebody. Next is everybody. That is everyone. Nobody means no one. Somebody means someone. Everybody means everyone. Now the third one is Seema wrote her father's name like this. Mr. Dinesh Dikshit. Ram wrote his mother's name like this, Mrs. Sneha Ramdas. Okay, so what you have to do? Now you have to write your father's name like as Seema did. Write your father's name as Seema did. So you will write Mr. Whatever your father's name, you have to write there. Okay. Next is write your mother's name as Ram did. For mother, what you will write? Mrs. Okay. And for father, what we write? Mr. Use Mr. and Mrs. to write more names you know. You have to write one more name with the Mr. and here it will be the Mrs. So one male name you will write here and one female name you will write here. Got it? Okay, the next, this is the poem, a very short poem. The Zigzag Boy. I know a little zigzag boy who goes this way and that. He never knows just where he puts his coat or shoes or hat. If you are not a zigzag child, you will have no cause to say that you forgot, for you will know where things are put away. Okay, this is the boy. How does he run? In zigzag way. And he keeps all his things like that only. So what you have to do? Can you make the zigzag lines as shown here? Okay, do it. So this is from textbook activity. This is textbook activity. Now we will write question answers in our notebook. Words and meanings. The first one is know. Know means be familiar. Next is funny. Funny means causing to laugh, which makes us laugh. Little. Little means small. Quiet. Quiet means making little or no noise. Mischief. Mischief means playful, bad behavior. Agree. Agree means to accept. Next is break. Break means to make parts of things. Crack. Crack means break without separating. Nobody. Nobody means no one. Next part is we have to write the question answers. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who is Mr. Nobody? Answer is Mr. Nobody is a funny little man. Question number 2. Has anyone ever seen him? Answer is no, nobody has ever seen him. Question number 3. Is there a Mr. Nobody in your house? Answer is no, there is no Mr. Nobody in my house. Okay, this you have to write in your notebook. You have to read plus learn plus write it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.